Hey loves, officially happy summer. It's like, like almost every day, but a little bit on speed, let's say. Anyways, today's video, I am going to be doing a kit that I collaborated with Shannon from Creating with Shannon from Pickin Boots. This is called the Master Creator Quarterly Kit. All right, it's available on her website. Obviously, it's a quarterly kit DIY craft that she just puts together, mails it to you, goes straight to your door, and it's a lot of fun. This is my first one. So we collaborated with the Decoupage Paper that she used for this kit. Telling you, summer. Anyways, Creating with Shannon. I'm gonna leave everything linked below in the description box, and let's get to it because it's very, very cool. All right, so this is what the kit looks like. This is the paper that I designed for her, and this is everything that comes in the kit. So it had 6 panels. It has the paper with a QR code to watch her video and how she put all of this together, and then she added extra things. I don't know who that paper is by, but it's a little extra project for you to do, and here's everything that's in it. Comes with the ribbon. It comes with all the goodies that you need to do this project and more. So you could definitely cut these out. I just like to wet brush and just rip the edges as so. I just think it's easier, faster than just cutting with a scissor. She also wanted 3 different fonts for the word summer, and this is what we came up with, and these are the ones that she liked. All right, I am going in with the Decoupage Varnish and Glue. I have to say, this is very smooth, like really, really smooth. I don't know if it was like the panels that were really smooth or just the actual Decoupage Varnish and Glue. But yeah, I found it to be very light and very, very smooth. Totally different from, your regular Mod Podge and whatnot. If you hear a little sniffing sound, it's because Pancho's here with me as I do this voiceover. As always, I recommend, anything you do decoupage, have your little cling wrap or piece of plastic ready just to smooth out those bubbles. And go in with the varnish glue as much as you feel that you need. And you can definitely go back even after you do the edges and whatnot. But yeah, I'm really pleased, let's say, with the Decoupage Varnish and Glue. It's my first time using it, so that's a good sign. Okay, for the edges, you could just use sanding paper and just go over the edges, and it takes the paper right off. It's super simple, and it's probably like the fastest way. Okay, I didn't show you, but before I used this, I went over it with the Decoupage Varnish and Glue. I let it dry, and then I went with, this is the Fineline Crackle Varnish number 1. So she says that it doesn't have to be smooth. You just apply it and let it dry, and then go in with Fineline Crackle Varnish number 2. So I only did just 1 coat of this. I let it dry, and you're gonna see that I'm going in with number 2 now. I will say these smell a little bit. So if you're sensitive to smell, I highly recommend doing this like in a very well ventilated area. Maybe even go outside if you can. I don't know. It wasn't horrible. It's just, it's there. But I am sensitive to smell, so, you know, take that as well. All right. Again, with this, I'm just being generous. And look at the crackle. I think she said to let it sit for overnight and let it do its thing, which is what I did. And you can see all the lines and all the crackles. Now I'm going in with the antique paste, and this one is in white. And I thought it was great too because, you know, it's summer. It's light and airy, and it goes great for like a beach cottage vibe. Anyways, so yeah, this is her quarterly kit. I think this was for May. I'm just now doing it because it is summer. And I think this is just a great little fun project. It's easy. It's nothing that you have to like really invest skills in, let's say. Plus you get a video with Shannon on how she put hers together and how to use these products, which is like I think one of the main purposes of this kit. She loves Pentart, and I think they're good products, especially for arts and crafts. So anyways, you go over it with the antique paste, and then you just wipe off the excess, and look at that. And you can do this with any color. All right, now to seal it, she put in the clear varnish. These are all by Pentart, by the way. Now this one really smelled, okay, like really. But it does leave a nice gloss to it, and it just seals it all together. Now, I don't know like the logistics of what you can use and cannot use and when to use them. So definitely go check her out. She's on Facebook, she's on Instagram, she's on YouTube, and she has this Pentart like workbook type of thing. And oh, she has a group too. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below because she like thoroughly goes through these products and teaches you how to use them and what they're for, because it is a full line of products. Okay, now you can see the glossiness and how it sealed it all. I think this just looks incredible. All right, in the kit she also added the yarn, and I'm just putting it through this needle, but you could also tape it, which is what she did. And then if you go through it through the back here like this, then the ribbon goes through the back, and then you can see the front. And that's pretty much it. Then you just tie off the ends and then put it wherever you would like. Again, this was such a fun and easy project, and I think it's worth it. And her kits, again, are quarterly, and this was just a collaboration that we did with the decoupage paper for this kit specifically, and I had so much fun. So if you are doing something like this, or just, you know, for fun, whatever, and you would like to collaborate, definitely leave me a comment. Maybe contact me through Facebook Messenger on Spirited Livings, and I don't know, we could work something out. I don't know. I love doing this. I love collaborating, and I love creating things for others. Like, I don't know, it's just my thing. Anyways, okay, this is the last step. This is contour liner. This is in clear. I know it comes in other colors, and basically it's just to highlight whatever you would like. This is not necessary, and it's not a huge thing that you will see, but it does give it a little extra texture and whatnot. So yeah, listen guys, this channel is almost to 1,000 subscribers, and that is amazing to me. I just want to say thank you for being here. To get my channel monetized, I do have to have 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hour times, and I'm barely to like almost making it to 1,000 hours. So anyway, this is the final look. If you could give this video a like, comments, whatever you would like, something nice, please, thank you. remember, anyways, that's gonna help my channel. Remember, everything is gonna be linked below. All of Shannon's information is gonna be linked below, and I hope you enjoyed this. Definitely go check her out, follow her. She has great videos. Thank you for being here. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.